So some of this should still be a review, but the terminology and how we use them is going to get a little more complicated. So this is actually in function notation. This says the function of x is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3. Zeros are everywhere when y is equal to 0. It's each value that will give you a y of 0. We can find those factors by using long division, by factoring, and we're going to learn another way to do that today too. So we're going to start doing this one by long division because it tells us to. So I'm going to say x minus 3 goes into x cubed plus 2x squared plus 0x minus 3. And I'm going to say x squared gives me an x cubed minus, that should be a 3, minus 3x squared. Change my signs, add down 5x squared plus 0x. So plus 5x, 5x squared minus 15x. So if I then add down, I get 15x, so plus 15, oops, 15x minus, this is a minus 3, right? So I get 15x minus 15 times 3 is negative 45. So I get a 42 is my remainder. So that means it's not divisible by this. If I find the f of 3, that's the same as 3 cubed plus 2 times 3 squared minus 3, or 27 minus 2 times 9 minus 3. So,
Plus 2 times 9 minus 3.
thank you, plus 18 minus 3, which is,
42.
42. So I get the remainder when I do the function at that value. Okay, so remember, x minus 3 equals 0. So plus 3 plus 3. So this is doing division where my x is equal to 3. Right? So I'm finding f of 3. It gives me the remainder.